Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you information that you can use to boost the traffic to your website, attract more customers, and grow your company. Before getting into this, please don't forget to drop me a line or two, just giving me some feedback about the content of the video. So let's start with your front page. I can see that you have the click to call button at the top. You have the request a quote button over here. You have very nice pictures, a description of the company and the services that you provide, pictures of the jobs that you have performed, and some details regarding your location and links to your social media accounts. So in general terms, it's an easy to navigate front page and website. There are a couple of things that you could do. So for example, you could add the contact us form, and let's have a look at the amount of content. Right now, it is sitting around 211 words. So reality is Google likes to see content. And to be optimized for Google, you want to sit around 1,500 to 2,000 words, because through content, you are able to include and target more relevant keywords so that Google can find and understand what your website is about and can include you as a relevant result for the different searches that users perform. So if I have a look at your competitors, these guys, Pittsburgh Remodeling Company, they have 396 words in their front page, so a little bit more than what you have. And Marvista Design plus Build, they have around 237 words. So definitely an opportunity for you is just to include more relevant content and more keywords um, in the front page as well. Another opportunity is that anything that you have in here is considered content. So if I actually have a look at the images can be saved with a keyword, and I can see in here that is saying number 3. You can actually save it with for example, home remodeling Pittsburgh, which is a keyword. So now I came here to Google and I type in one of those buyer intent keywords, which is basically what people search when they want to acquire services or products. And the first section that you see is the Google Ads, which are terrific at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly, and some people just turn them off in their browsers. The second section is the GBP or Google Business Profile. This section is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic, and to rank at the top, you need optimized and geotag pictures, and you need reviews of the company. You also need to be listed on directories, and the name, address, and phone number need to match those of your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details and ideally grab one of these top 3 spots. Now, the third section is the Google Organic Search. And to rank at the top of the Google Organic Search, you need first to be found by Google in terms of content, and you also need something that we call backlinks. So I came here to your website and I use a tool called Ahrefs, and Ahrefs helps me analyze the backend of a website. And I can see here that your website has one backlink in one external website. That is, there's only one external website directing traffic towards yours via one backlink or one link. If I have a look at this company, Pittsburgh Remodeling Company, they have 420 backlinks in 142 external websites, and Marvista Design Plus Build, they have 133 backlinks in 65 referring domains. And you have to look at this like a popularity contest, where the website with the most backlinks and the most powerful backlinks is the one that is going to win the competition or is going to rank at the top of the Google search. And by powerful backlinks, I mean those that are sitting on websites that are related to the services and to your niche and industry, because those if you have those backlinks, Google is going to start regarding your website as an authority, and it's gonna rank you up higher. Now, the most interesting section is the organic keywords. So your website is being found for one organic keyword, which is your brand. Makes sense? Pittsburgh Remodeling Company, these guys are being found for 748 keywords, and in here I can see what those keywords are. The volume tells me the number of times this keyword is searched per month, and the position is in which position this website is appearing in the Google Organic Search. So first of all, bathroom remodel Pittsburgh is searched for 250 times per month. Bathroom remodeling, 200. Pittsburgh Remodeling Company, 200. Home remodeling Pittsburgh, 150. Shower remodeling Pittsburgh, 100. and they are ranking in the first position for those keywords. Anything beyond the 10th position means that they're already on the 10th, on the second page of Google, so they wouldn't be able to attract traffic. But because they're on the first position, and this is the search volume, so for example, for bathroom remodel Pittsburgh, they are able to drive 87 visits to their website. So the objective here is to identify what are those relevant keywords so that you can sprinkle them as part of the content in your website, because in the end, your website is going to be in front of more potential customers because you end up adding all of this volume. And then a percentage of those is going to end up in your website. Another percentage is going to pick up the phone and is going to call you. And then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to land more customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to increase the traffic. And I would also love to hear your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.